My name is Ajit Patel. We bought house 2 years ago, and we planning to change the kitchens, and same time we decided also to change the chimney, which when located in living room. And then I seen advertising in the website, and I sent message, and someone called Iqbal, he replied me, and first thing, as soon as I paid, first we decided which how long it take, and they said about 4 5 weeks to do the kitchen. And then they came with his main person, with his assistant, and we decided do architect plan, and we agree with price and start working on it. 2 weeks to remove the chimney. The total about 7 8 weeks they said, and we decided to start chimney first. We agreed for price, and I paid deposit, and they start agree date. First team came and start knocking down chimney. I was working that day. My wife came afternoon, surprise, and in 1 week they dismantle everything, and same time they put RSJ, big, about 25 foot, heavy metal bar to hold first floor. And same time other team dismantle kitchen. That was surprise, very surprise. We lucky, and we have to stop cooking for 3 4 weeks, and we in meantime they just carry on as our plan. Same time we order as well kitchen unit. In time to time, Iqbal and his team communicate with us. Meantime, my wife wasn't happy because of the really mess in kitchen. I promised to do in 2 weeks, and that's anyway. The kitchen stuff did not come. Few things we have to wait. They came wrong parts. This happened always. My daughter was upset as well because of the really mess. Same time she studies, she has to walk up and down in dust. Things happen. After I think it would take about 7 8 weeks, so everything's done. Same time we decided to do floor as well. We decided to do like media center as well. We had argument about price, but we settled down, and I think builder done good job. Iqbal got team. Chimney from living room. Then second project was build new kitchen with new unit, and third project was to lift porch, put new door on it. Third project was flooring on both kitchen. That was a reasonable price because I did check few builders and looked like reasonable price, and I seen the pictures on their website, and I just trust him anyway. That's it. We didn't know each other. But I think he was in website. I don't know what website it was. He's quite well website. It's instant. Yeah. As soon as I send message, he replied quick. So some very important. He checked detail as well. I seen sometime he was looking in kitchen as well. Open the door and make sure everything is correct fitting. So he's good communicate. Response very good as well. Timeline, he's done everything in time. Just only kitchen because of it's our fault as well because of the kitchen supplier did not send few things in time. But it's happened. The total time scale is really good, very fast, very pleased. Quality, they got good quality stuff. Definitely because of the good communication, main things time scale and the price. Yeah, both meet in our budget.
I think it was really quick. I think, yeah, it was really quick compared to how I thought it'd be. But some parts were a bit long, but it was fair enough because like the supplies were being quite long. But yeah, it was quite quick to be fair. I didn't see any disturbances really. The only thing was I just couldn't come downstairs, but other than that, it was fine. Quite nice, like the media wall looks really nice, the flooring's like really nice, and the kitchen, yeah, it looks so much better than before. There wasn't any delays necessarily. I think, yeah, everything was complete on time. I would, yeah, they've done a really good job, like everything's as I thought it'd be.
It's a new picture as well.
Really nice.
Okay.
Especially the one that was doing the kitchen, he was really nice. Yeah, they were. None of them were rude. None of them were like disrespectful or anything. They were very like on task. They weren't getting off of task as well. And they were making sure that everything was complete to a good standard. So, yeah.
Good.